Today I'm unboxing a 10-inch curly headband wig from AISI hair store on Amazon. Came in this blue box. It's cute. It has roses all over it. My favorite, green flag. It says, "Hi, Rose." It came with 2 wig caps. It also came with this headband. This is like my 3rd or 4th free one from a company. They be cute, you know, they be free or whatever. I do wish that the designs were a little bit better. But yeah, so these 2 came with it. And then this is the actual unit. They did have options that went from 10 inches through 18 inches for this wig. And then they also had curly or straight. The curly one just looked better to me. The straight one like gave like too much of like Velma from Scooby-Doo. So this is also my first headband wig, so I wasn't really sure what to expect. It's cute though. I mean, the texture is definitely kinky curly as advertised. Very soft. There is a slight smell to it. Like it's probably gonna need to be washed before wearing it. And this is what it looks like. So it kind of looks like a bonnet a little bit. So there's this thing around here, which is the headband, which is I think awesome because it'll protect your edges. This is what the inside looks like. Very much bonnet you can wear outside. And from the texture, I can tell that you can like bleach it and dye it. You can already tell that. We'll see what this hits for. So far, it's feeling like it's gonna be good. Not really sure how I'm gonna wear this one yet, but stay tuned because I'm sure that it's gonna be a hit, and I'm pretty sure that it might be my new best friend. I feel like this is the best at like when my hair isn't in a straight state. And first, I usually just brush my edges back without any edge control first. And a little bit of this really goes a long way. I do my edges old-fashioned, very swoop-like, but not too many swirls. Not really into it. And I got my shit red. I don't want my, circulation cut off, but I like for my wig to be like secure on my head, especially because most of the time I don't use the back clip. Feels secure. What? Just move it back just a bit, just a bit. So I haven't even secured it yet and it's already giving. Stop playing. Spray it just a little bit with some water. I'll just spray my face a little bit, just a bit. Just to give it a little bit more of a natural droop. One more time, now that I have the wig on. And usually I feel like I need to do it anyway so that my edges won't be all stiff like they trying to be now, but the water saves it. I love this edge control.
Careful, get up
If y'all are looking for an ambassador, please
We sedated you.
email me. My email is in my bio. Huge fan. Okay, it's giving.
Before something bad happens.
She on her way out the door. It's giving. She just got a couple paces around and come back. A 10 out of 10. I fuck with the wig. I fuck with it. This is the AISI Queens 10-inch curly headband wig. Amazon store. Ariana Deja Sade is gonna go ahead and give it a 10 out of 10.